Hello everyone, we'll be talking about the Intex Pool Skimmer. So, as you can see, it's hooked up to, I have one of these outdoor pools. You hook it up to your water filter and it sucks in the dirt and debris and all. As you can see, it doesn't pull, depending on your water filter and how powerful it is, it'll better do it, but this is the one that came with the pool. Some people have complained. It's not the greatest one, but I feel like it does the job. Overall, I would recommend it because it's cheap and it does pick up a decent amount of debris, as you can see, but it doesn't pick up all the debris, because you can still see debris floating around, but it does a decent job of picking up the debris. So I feel like for the price, it's worth it. If you had two, you could almost put two of them in there to double it. But overall, for the money, since it's not that cheap, I had to buy this separately. But I would recommend this. I feel like every pool should have a skimmer, because you're gonna have to clean it yourself, but also the skimmer can help you, because all that stuff is basically stuck in there. So you empty that out and it'll work. But so overall, yes, I would recommend this product. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.